for this set, we're starting off pretty simply. We already have our equation ready with the zero product rule. So we'll have 2x minus 3 x plus 7 being equal to 0. Now don't be silly and re-multiply everything out again. It's already in the form a times b being equal to 0. That's very important. Therefore, directly go to 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 7 being equal to 0. So our solution is quite simply x being equal to 3 over 2, or, well, that or still counts, x being equal to negative 7. Can do that better, just for funsies. Negative 7. Yeah, that's good. Well, again, don't even try to factorize when we see that. Let's just get us some space back, and because we can, we'll use a different color. We have 7x squared plus 3x minus 2 being equal to 0. Just remind ourselves of our values, 7 being our a value, plus 3 being our b value, and our c value, of course, is the entire negative 2. And be careful of that. Well, of course, we'll have x being equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. That's equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of, well, what's b? Well, it's still 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 7, and c, which is negative 2. And that's all divided by 2 times 7, of course. Yes, our calculator told us the values earlier. So those are going to be 0.36 or negative 0.79. That's all we can do about that, but that's all that's required also. Alright, so next we have square root of x minus 1 plus 3 equal to x. Now with these, we want that culprit alone, because squaring both sides is more efficient if we get rid of the square root completely, which won't happen if there's a second term alongside it on the same side. So let's do that. So it becomes minus 3. That's also minus 3. Why? Because I want to zero that out. So we are left with square root of x minus 1, of course, being equal to x minus 3. And then what do we want to do? Well, get rid of that radical over here by squaring both sides. So that gives us the x minus 1 we wanted, and this of course becomes x squared, well, minus 3x times 2, so it's minus 3 times x times 2, which gives us minus 6x, and then plus 9. Okay, so we're adding 1 and we're subtracting x, but of course we're doing it on both sides. What does that lead to? Well, this zeros out totally like we want, and then we'll have x squared minus 7x plus 10, or 0 be equal to x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 2. Thusly, x is equal to 5, or x is equal to 2. And we're not done yet, because we need to test these values. Well, that's the appropriate stage. Just take care not to worry about the squares over there, because 5 minus 1 gives us 4, and the square root of 4 is equal to 2. And then 5 minus 3 gives us 2. Oh, that checks. Let's test the other value, maybe in blue. Well, 2 minus 1 is 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. And then 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Well, this is not equal to that. Therefore, that is invalid because that was the value we used to test. Hope that settles that. Yes, we need a digital board cleaning is so much easier. It's so nice, so nice, so nice. Beats a duster every day. There we go. So finally for this set we have x squared being greater than 3 multiplied by x plus 6. Well, let's resolve that. We'll have x squared being greater than 3x plus 18, and then, well, let's just transpose everything to the left. So it's minus 3x minus 18 minus 3x, of course minus 18 as well. Let's see what we do. Well, we want them in descending powers of x. Well, minus 3x, and of course there's a minus 18. That's of course all zeroed out, which is what we want for the right hand side. We prefer that. Well, this should factorize. Of course it does, I prepped it earlier. Well, we want a minus 3 in the middle, so it's minus 6 plus 3. Therefore, our critical values are x being equal to 6 or x being equal to negative 3. Remember, these are not the answers. We will turn it into a solution though by getting a nice parabola sketch going. Well, smallest value on the left, larger value on the right. Remember, those are critical values. And what are the areas we're looking for? Well, that says greater than, which means we're looking at the area above, which will throw a shadow over there and over there, rendering our solution split in the form of x being less than negative 3 or x being greater than 6. And that's how those are dealt with. Keep practicing. Apparently it makes perfect.